Okay, so we have Ravinder also joining us. Ma'am, how to apply for H-1B visa? Now, this is a very vast question, but Prashanti, if you want to quickly maybe address to this as well.
Well, you have to have an employer that's willing to, who that has given you a job and that's willing to sponsor you. And the job should be a specialty occupation. Specialty occupation means the job should require industry-wide a bachelor's degree in a specific field. Yeah, then you have to apply for the registration because if you've never applied for a H1 before, it comes under new cap petition. The registration is opening up, and we're going to be talking about the registration soon. It's already opened up on March 7th, closing on the 24th. So you have to apply for a registration. If it gets picked, then if your number gets picked in the lottery, if your name gets picked in the lottery, then you can apply for the H-1B, and you'd have to do that within 90 days.